Hi, thank you for joining me. I'm just going to look at the Casio fx82au +2, and I'm going to look at how we can add some statistics and calculate the mean and the standard deviation. So what we do is we go into the statistic mode first by pressing the, if I can do this on here, we press the mode key. If I can press the mode key up here, and then it'll give stat will be the number 2. So then you press the mode key and number 2. So let's do that. So we go mode 2, and that will give us our stat. You will see a little stat editor appear on the screen, and it looks like some sort of matrix, which is blacked out numbers which you could enter. Now, the numbers that we want to put in are, I think if I get some numbers from a recent statistical activity, let's say we get the numbers 8, 12, 23, 31, and 46. So let's 8, 12, 23, 31, and 46. We've calculated a mean of 24 and a standard deviation of 13.67. So let's test and see if we're correct. And we've got 5 and it's 5. So let's go back to our image and where are we? Where are we? I think we're here. So I want you to press the numbers 8 followed by an equal sign. That would enter the 8, then 12, and then hit the equal sign, and then 23, hit the equal sign, and each time you put it should appear on the screen in position 31, equal, and then 46, and then equal. And each time you do that, the numbers should appear in these positions, and you will get 8, then hit equal, 12, hit equal, 23, hit equal, you get 31, hit equal, you get 46. Now, once you finish that, we've already entered all the numbers. You then go to the calculator and just hit the AC to go out of the can we like this? Is this working? You hit that AC button, and let's go back. All right, so how do I get out of here? Yep. So now hit the AC button, and then that should bring you out of the statistical editor mode. Now, once you've done that, we've exited the statistic edit mode. We need to go to what's called stat. You see the little stat word above the button for number 1. You see a little stat here. Now, to get that stat mode, we have to press the shift first and then the number 1. So let's do that. So if we go here, shift first, and then the number 1. All right, so do that. Now, by pressing shift first, then the number 1, shift, then the number 1, you should get a screen which has what's called the stat calculations menu, and there's menus. I want to go to where it says for the different variables. I want you to now press the number 4. So when you've got this menu on your screen, press the number 4, and then that should give us a new menu. It should. So So we've pressed Shift 1 to come into the stat menu. We then press the number 4 to give us a new menu, which is the variables. And I want to look at these variables which you will get options for, and they will be n, that's how many in our data set, which we should get 5 when you press the number 1. 2 is the mean, and when you press 2, you should get our mean. I think we said our mean was about 24. You could check that. And when you press 3, you've got a standard deviation, and this is the standard deviation for population, and this is the standard deviation for sample. One of those is the correct one. Just go ahead and maybe press, find out which one of those gives us 13.67, because one of them uses an n value of 5 and the other one uses an n value of 4 in the calculation, which is the square root of our deviation squared divided by n. One uses an n and the other one uses an n minus 1 in that position. I'll let you try it out and see which one you press to get the 13.67. Make a note of the correct standard deviation that you press to get 13.67, and that's the one that you want to press each time for the maths that we're doing, especially at, say, Year 10 advanced maths level. I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.